Hey guys, a warm welcome to the channel. Today I want to talk about a laptop that's been my daily workhorse for a while now, the HP 2025 17.3-inch IPS FHD Business Laptop. If you're looking for a powerful, high-capacity, large-screen laptop that's built for multitasking, work, and some light creative tasks, I think this one deserves a spot on your radar. It's got a Ryzen 5 6-core processor, a ridiculous 64 GB of RAM, and 2.5 TB of storage. Yeah, 2 TB in the internal SSD and an extra 512 GB in the docking set that comes with it. So if that sounds like your kind of spec-heavy beast, stay with me and make sure to click the link below for the best price available right now. Let me start with what hit me first: the size and display. This thing is big. The 17.3-inch screen is actually one of its biggest advantages. If you're used to working on 13 or 15-inch laptops, this is going to feel like a desktop monitor. And it's not just about size. The IPS panel has great viewing angles, the full HD resolution gives you nice sharpness, and colors are vibrant enough for everyday use and even some basic creative work like photo editing or content planning. Whether you're managing Excel sheets, writing reports, or just streaming YouTube or Netflix, it's a great screen to look at. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where the laptop absolutely shines. With the AMD Ryzen 5 6-core CPU, 64 GB of DDR4 RAM, and the massive 2.5 TB total storage, it's an absolute multitasking monster. I've had multiple Chrome tabs open, been running Spotify in the background, editing some light Canva projects, and syncing files to cloud storage, all without it stuttering once. If you're someone who juggles between work apps, browser tabs, Zoom meetings, and maybe even some light coding or design work, you'll feel the speed right away. And that SSD, it's fast. Boot up time is literally a few seconds. Programs launch quickly, large files open instantly, and the system just feels snappy overall. The additional 512 GB storage in the included docking station is also really handy if you're managing large project folders, raw images, or backup files. I've started using it like a semi-permanent external drive and it hasn't let me down. The keyboard is spacious and includes a full 10-key numeric pad, which I know a lot of people, especially spreadsheet users and business folks, will appreciate. It's comfortable to type on even for long writing sessions. The touchpad is large and responsive, nothing fancy, but it works well for navigation and multi-touch gestures like two-finger scrolling and pinch to zoom. Now, as far as connectivity goes, HP really didn't hold back. It's got plenty of USB ports, HDMI out, Ethernet for wired internet, and the standard audio jack. It also supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you're well covered whether you're connecting a wireless headset, mouse, or syncing your phone. It comes with Windows 11 Pro, and having the lifetime Office license included is a huge bonus. You don't have to worry about paying extra for Word, Excel, PowerPoint, everything's already ready to go. If you're using this for work or school, having that suite built in from the start is super convenient. And I gotta say, Windows 11 feels really smooth on this machine. Transitions are fast, UI is responsive, and I haven't run into a single glitch. As for battery life, with a screen this size and specs this beefy, I wasn't expecting it to be incredible, but it actually holds up surprisingly well. I've been getting around 6 to 7 hours with moderate use web browsing, working in Office apps, watching videos, and streaming music. For a laptop this powerful and large, I'm happy with that. Obviously, if you're doing more intensive work, like photo editing or running large files from the dock, the battery drains a bit faster, but that's to be expected. One thing I really want to call out is how quiet this laptop is. Even under moderate load, the fan barely makes a sound. It stays cool for the most part, and the thermal management seems well designed. So if you're using this in an office, library, or shared space, you don't have to worry about it sounding like a jet engine. If you're thinking of picking this up, I highly recommend checking the link below for the best price available right now. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions or want me to compare this with another model, drop a comment below and I'll get back to you. Catch you in the next one.